Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this right here. This is the Addies watch. So I call it the solar system watch. So let's open it up. So by the way, this is not the original case. I'm just doing this for the video. It does not come with a case. So you can use any case that you want. Anyway, this is, like I said, the solar system watch, that I call it that way. But the official name is, and let's look that up. That's the brand right there, Addies. So basically, it is a imitation. I shouldn't say imitation. This is a representation of our solar system, and of course that's the moon, sun, and Earth. But before we open it up, I should say before I put it on, let's go to the internet and let's take a look at the specs. Okay, on the internet they call it the Creative Earth Watch. So this website right here is aliexpress.com. So there are two colors, black and brown, but that's there's a minimal difference between the two. And everything else is just a normal watch, having the hour hand, the minute hand, and the second hand. And I believe you set it the same way you set any other watch, the traditional way. So over here says it has a highly hardened glass mirror. So I wonder if that's true. I don't know if I believe that. The gear crown of the watch is made solid and easily to adjust, ensuring the watch's water resistance and making the pointer smooth and texture. So it does claim to have an imported HQ high quality movement, stainless steel metal bottom cover, laser brand logo, built-in imported movement. Well, it keeps saying imported movement, but it doesn't tell you what country that is. I'm assuming it's Japan. I wouldn't think this is a Swiss movement, but I could be wrong. And now we have the creative conceptual design. So the cool sports watch combines the planet's movement track with the movement elements and gives full play to the fashion spirit of the watch. So that's a lot of nonsense. That doesn't mean anything to me. And imported silica gel strap. So we're gonna find out if that's true. 30 meters waterproof. I don't know if I believe that. I wouldn't take this over 3 meters. Maybe 6 meters, 30 meters. I'm not sure about that. So yeah, unfortunately this watch, even though it's amazing in design, I'm having a hard time believing that it's this good. But I don't want to be quoted on that, because it might really be that good with the imported movement probably from Japan, and the hardened glass and the 30-meter waterproofness. Okay, so let's go back to the watch. Like I said, it does have instructions here in both English and Chinese. So I do not read Chinese, but the English side, let's take a look at it. How to check the time. So it says the moon is minute, pull out, Earth is seconds, and the sun is hour. The time left is 10:10. So this is definitely poor Chinese, but I don't think you're gonna need this at all, because it's a very simple watch. So let's go back to the watch. Like I said, this is not the original case. I just added this case for the video, make it look nice. That's why I'm wearing gloves. So it is not an expensive watch, but this does make it look nicer for the video. And it does have I believe that's leather. It could be imitation leather. We're gonna find out. So there's no gel. The ad on the internet said something about gel. I don't see any gel. But remember that whoever made this watch was not very good at translating things. So yeah, let's take a look at this. Oh, there we go. Yeah, let's get rid of that. We don't need that. So let's do a close-up. That's as close as my phone can do. Let's see if we can change the time. So let's do 3:25. So that's 3:25. So let's see if it's a hacking movement. Let's pull out the crown. And yes, it is a hacking movement. So the second stops when you pull out the crown, and then when you press the crown again, the seconds start moving again. So it is graduated, I believe, right here, as you can see. 25, 30, 35. So it's graduated by minutes, but not by hour. And if you look in the back, let's open it up. Let's see if the buckle is signed. I don't think it's signed, but the back definitely is signed. So let's pull this out. And there you have it. So this is the Addies MY1704 stainless steel back, and if you turn it around, it says sports watch. Okay, so let's put it on, and that's on. So definitely it does look nice in person, although I'm not impressed by this strap. I think it's probably one of these rings is gonna break at some point. So let's go outside and let's take a look at it in the sun and see how it looks and how beautiful it is out there. Okay, so it is a beautiful afternoon out here, and here is the watch again. So let's get into the sun and see how it looks. Definitely does look nice. So my final thoughts on this watch is that it must be intended for people that like astronomy. So if you like looking at the planets, the stars, I hope you're not looking at the sun. And if you're interested in the astronomy, definitely this is something for you, because it is beautiful. So the only issue I have with it is the strap. I really do not like the strap. I would wish they would have given me a rubber strap instead of a leather strap. In person it does look very nice, and I do recommend it 100%. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.